Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful and freehand nail design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and I'm just going to draw on different sections of my nails, different colors. This is a really easy and simple nail design. I don't really have a rhyme or reason. This is kind of like my lazy nail design look, but I just love the look of it. I just overlap the colors over each other and just apply wherever I feel like applying it on. There's no real rhyme or reason. Cause once I do this, I'm just gonna draw a freehand design. And once you draw a freehand design on the nails, it kind of helps blend it together. That's just my personal opinion. Now using my black nail stripe, I'm just gonna draw some lines. Now, um, I was thinking it looked more to me like a zebra print design, but then when I looked at it, it looks more tiger. It's all up to your, perception, I guess. I just wanted to show you that it's really easy and simple to do an animal print. We'll just call it animal print design. And I'm just using a black nail stripe, but you can use a nail brush with black polish or black acrylic paint. It's all up to you, like I said. And I'm just going to draw in between just some wavy lines just to tie it all together. This is a really easy and simple nail design. I didn't want to go crazy with it. I just wanted to show you something really fun and easy. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy to follow. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.